Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is gonna be part two, decluttering and cleaning my room. Now we're going to do my closet. I'm beyond terrified to do this closet. It's gonna take me like another couple hours. Well, I think just trying on certain things is gonna take me long because I feel like there's kind of a lot of things that I want to get rid of out here, kind of not really. I don't know, we'll see, but I don't really think it will necessarily take me as long as the rest of my room, but it is definitely gonna take me a little bit of a minute. So yeah, let me just show you what she looks like right now. First of all, don't judge me because she's looking this bad because I'm filming this video. Okay, so for my previous video, those are the bins of like all my miscellaneous stuff, souvenirs, mementos, whole life, whatever, pictures and all that. That needs to go back in there, and then I need to figure that out. But yeah, so this is where all my jeans usually are. All my clothes hung up, and then I have more jeans on top of this bin right here. Then in this bin I have a bunch of random bathing shoes, dresses, and all that. And then right here I have all these jeans. Like, mind you, this closet goes all the way back there. Like, I don't know if you can see it, all the way back there. And there's a bunch of jeans on there. Half of them fell, but I'm filming anyway, so it doesn't matter. But still, I have all these pants on the floor right here. And over here I have a bunch of random junk, but there's really not a lot. It's just like shoe boxes that need to be lined pretty much. I have a bunch of other random clothes. I have some like prom dresses and wedding dresses back there, so I'm gonna keep those obviously, so that section is really that important. Then I have my computer case, all that. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Let's start it and stop talking so we can get this done with. I'm over it. Okay, so it's 9 o'clock at night. It took me about an hour, maybe an hour and like a half, to go through all of my closet besides the shoe drawers in there, which I'm gonna do after I put everything back. But let me show you. Right now what it's looking like. So I went through the big pile of maybes over there, and then all my jeans. I'm keeping these items that just need to be hung up. Some of them are like pillowcases that I need to put away. These are all the pants I'm keeping. Some of it is sweatpants, some of it's just like sweatpants, and then the rest are kind of jeans. And then giving away all of this over here. I don't know, I feel like I still can give away a little bit more, but I think for the most part it's pretty good. I think that's like half my closet, honestly. I mean, it's the majority of my jeans. I only kept maybe like 11 pairs of jeans out of like 30, 40. I don't know. I think I did good so far. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and hang these up and try and make it look a little organized. Yeah, so my camera died after I finished organizing that last drawer. So it's been a few days since I've actually last come on here and like described, well, it's been a few days since I actually come on here and like was decluttering and all that. So I decided to film a quick outro, and actually I got rid of a lot more stuff. I just realized that there was a lot of things that I was just keeping on to for like slight moments of memories, like one occasion that I remember wearing this pants from and stuff like that, and it's just like I just don't need these items anymore. Like I can think of that memory without having the object, and that's a true hoarder thing to realize and overcome. So yeah, I was really proud of myself. I went ahead and got rid of another bag full of clothes. Again, like I said in my previous video, I'll definitely probably do this type of video again in a few months, just to get rid of more stuff that I really haven't worn in a while, because there's a lot of stuff that all this stuff I'm keeping that I do wear a lot, but there's a few items that I feel like I don't really wear as much or care about as much, and I'm not really noticing it. So I'm gonna be definitely be more mindful about what I do and don't wear, and if I should give it away or not, and keep starting fresh, because I definitely like, at least I want to be as minimal as possible, but also be able to wear what I like, if that makes sense. So yeah, so let's look at my closet real quick, the final look. Those are the jeans. I don't know if you can seen the last clip of them before, but it was way more. It was like it was like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now there's only 3. And keep in mind that some of these, I want to say like 4 or 5 pairs of these are actually shorts. They're not really like long jeans. So I think that's also important to know. Like I really did get rid of like half of what I originally was gonna keep, because again, I was trying to keep the attachments, and then maybe I like them if I lose weight, but I knew I just didn't like those like products. Then these are on my hung clothes. And these are on my hung up clothes. Again, I did have that Shein haul, both those packages, so I just hung up the rest of those after I was finished filming it. I just have everything here. The bottom of my things a lot like sleeker. There's less things back there. I just have my lashes for my lash business, and then some shoe boxes, nothing too extra. Over here, now if we go over here, same thing, just like this is a lot more of my like business casual items, and then some other dresses that I still want to have, but I probably won't wear as much, like my Ivy Park dress, my birthday Mexico trip dress, all that. I'll probably get rid of this one in a little bit. We'll see how I feel about it. Yeah, like my sweater business type of dresses. And I have my suitcase, which I just bought. Stuff to test out. I need somewhere to put it, and it just so happens I had enough room right there to put it right there. I have my old sheets bin right here for extra sheets, and all my shoes. Well, this is a bag, I have to hang it up. And then all my extra shoes, some hair, and then all like my boxes of shoes that I want to keep in their boxes. They're all right here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. She looks a lot better. You know, I have a little bag there. I need to put that in there, but there's still like a few like little things that I need to, you know, fix and adjust over time to make it look as organized and neat as possible. But for the most part, everything that I want gone is gone. I just have to, you know, straighten up, get it neat. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. My extreme tiring closet cleanup video. If you guys enjoyed, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back soon with content. Please don't forget to leave down below any recommendations for future videos that you guys want me to do, and I'll be happy to oblige to them. Well, some of them, we'll see. But yeah, see you guys.